my dear little friends. Today, we are going to learn a very special and happy lesson from our Grade 1 workbook. It's all about a day we all love. Yes, it's about wishing and responding on birthdays. Are you ready to find out how we can wish our friends in 3 different languages? Let's go.
First, let's see how we usually wish a friend on their birthday in English. We smile and say, "Happy birthday!" And if someone wishes you happy birthday, what should you say back? You should always respond politely by saying, "Thank you very much."
Now, let's learn how to wish our Sinhalese-speaking friends on their special day. It's very easy. To wish them in Sinhalese, we can say, Oyata, Suba, Upandineak, Veva. That means, may you have a happy birthday. If a friend wishes you in Sinhalese, you can say thank you back by saying, Bohoma Stuti. Bohoma Stuti.
Next, let's see how we can wish our Tamil-speaking friends in a beautiful way. To wish them a happy birthday in Tamil, we say, Inia Pirandamal Valtugal. Let's try saying it together. Inia Pirandanal Valtugal. And when someone wishes you in Tamil, you can respond nicely by saying, Mikka Nandri. Mikka Nandri, which means thank you very much.
Remember, my little friends, whether someone wishes you or gives you a lovely birthday gift, you should always keep a big smile on your face and say thank you. Being polite and grateful is a wonderful habit.
Wow! Today we learned how to wish and say thank you in English, Sinhala, and Tamil. If you love this video and want to learn more fun lessons with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a big like, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Bohoma Stuti, Mikka Nandri. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
And the meat I like to king up, hard to stress.
Hello, my dear little friends. Wanakkam and Ayubowan. Today, we're going to learn a very wonderful lesson from our environment workbook. It is all about requests and responding to requests. Did you know? When we ask for something or when we speak to someone, we must always speak very politely and respectfully. Today, we're going to learn how to say 5 action words politely, just like our Tamil-speaking friends. Friends, in the Tamil language, when we speak to someone with politeness and respect, we add the gal sound to the end of the word. It is just like saying enna or yana respectfully in Sinhala. Let's see what those 5 words are. How do we politely invite someone to come? In Tamil, we say varungal. Or you can simply say vanga. Say it with me. Varungal. Next, how do we say go in a respectful way? We say pongal. Let's try saying it. Pongal. When friends gather to play on the field, how do we tell them to run? In Tamil, we say odungal. Let's say it out loud. Odungal. After running, how do we politely tell someone to stop in one place? We say nillungal. Try saying it. Nillungal. Now everyone, let's happily clap your hands. To tell someone to clap in Tamil, we say kai tatungal. Kai means hands, and tatungal means to tap or clap. Altogether, kai tatungal. My little friends, just like we say please come or please stop in English, we can add a special word to the front to make these requests even more polite. That word is tayavusedu. Please come, tayavusedu varungal. Please stop, tayavusedu nillungal. So when someone makes such a polite request to us, we should also respond beautifully, right? We can say, okay, thank you, or in Tamil, savi, nandri. If a teacher tells you to do something, you can say, okay, teacher, by saying savinga. Wow, today we played and learned a beautiful set of polite words. You can also practice and play with these words at home with your mom, dad, and friends. To keep watching lovely lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Mika Nandri. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
එන්න කියලා වාරුංගල් කියනවා යන්න කියලා පෝංගල් කියනවා දුවන්න කියලා ඕඩුංගල් කියනවා නවතින්න කියලා නිල්ලුංගල් කියනවා අප්පුඩි ගසන්න කියලා තයි තට්ටුංගල්ය කියනවා අපි හැමෝම ඉගෙන ගනිමු
විශිෂ්ට සාමාර්ථ දෙසාම වෙහෙසන සිසුන් සඳහා පදනම ප්‍රකාශන